If you're drowning in credit cards and feeling like you need a PhD just to maximize rewards, apps like Maxrewards, Cardpointers, and Awardwallet promise to save your sanity. But which one actually delivers? Let's break it down. Max Rewards is the power user's dream. It not only tells you which card to use, but it automatically activates those quarterly bonus categories and cashback offers most of us forget about. It feels like having a personal assistant who refuses to let rewards slip through the cracks. The trade-off? It can feel a little busy if you just want something simple. Card Pointers, on the other hand, is all about clean, no-fuss clarity. You plug in your cards and it neatly tells you which one gives you the best rewards for each purchase. No clutter, no distractions, just simple pointers. I'd say it's perfect if you're new to the rewards game or just want a lightweight solution. Then there's Awardwallet, which focuses less on cashback and more on tracking all your loyalty points. Airlines, hotels, credit cards, you name it. If you're juggling dozens of programs, it's a lifesaver for keeping balances and expirations in one place. So here's the bottom line. Max Rewards is for the optimizer, Card Pointers is for the minimalist, and Award Wallet is for the loyalty traveler who wants total control.